Hello, everyone. And this is going to be the first of a series of little shorts that I'm going to be doing on what happened when scammers speak to scammers. Today, it's an auto insurance scammer who's speaking to a tech support scammer. Let's listen in and see what happens.
Tin, Are you there? Are you
I
there?
need to, yeah, I need to repair my vehicle, my car.
Okay, which car you want to repair?
Honda.
Honda. Okay. Which Honda, sir? Hon- Honda is a brand. And which part you need?
Sorry?
Which part you need for your Honda?
Yeah, I need the front part, okay? Not the back part, but the front part.
You want the front part? You want my front part?
Yeah.
Or Honda's front part? Naughty guy.
What?
Which
Hey,
front part you
I
need? Tell me.
I don't really understand what's going on. I believe you guys are joking with me, right?
Yeah, tell me what you need. Which car part you need? Tell us.
I need the bumper.
You need bumper. Okay, for which
Yeah,
car?
Honda.
Yeah, tell me which bumper you need.
Honda car.
Honda which car, sir? What's the model? Honda has like
I
Honda
think.
hatchback, SUV, sedan. Which Honda?
Wait, let me look my car, okay? What is the model?
What happened to the bumper? You can do a plastic welding.
Sir, where are you from?
Kolkata?
You have an accent. What?
Kolkata.
Where is that?
It is just
Sir,
besides your house.
sir, you have called. Okay, right now you are speaking with Arthur, and I am from the United States, Washington. And what do you mean? Where is that? Where are you
It is
from? Which
besides to
country?
Washington. It is 50 miles away.
50 miles away.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You go from Washington. You go straight 15 miles. Then you take a right, go 5 miles, left 2 miles, right 3 miles, left 2 miles, then right again 10 miles, and then left and right. Go ahead 5 miles, left 2 miles, right 2 miles, straight 5 miles, and you're there.
Kolkata is in India, bro. What do you
Oh,
mean?
you are so dumb. Bro. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I just check on my computer where is that location
Are
and
you
it
that
shows
dumb?
up that it is in India, bro.
Okay, so what?
So what? Nothing?
Sir, tell me
And
which
one more.
bumper you need. Else I will make you my bumper.
Don't stop calling us, alright? Mister? Mr. Indian hacker. Stop calling us, okay?
You
चांद
stop calling us,
सितारा
sir.
बोले
Don't disturb.
भैंचोद नदी के किनारा बोले भैंचोद बोलो बच्चे सारे बोलो भैंचोद आर वाले सारे बोलो ग्रैप वाले सारे बोलो पैरा वाले सारे बोलो भैंचोद भैंचोद
अरे भूसरे के सुन रहा है? Stop calling us, okay?